Let's learn how to assign your global products cross-sells. Your global product cross-sells can show in two different locations: on your product pages, all of them, or on your upsell pop-up. The global product cross-sells are a great way to showcase your best sellers, items on sale, or your staff picks. We've learned before how to display cross-sells on your product pages using the handpicked category. So for example, if someone is taking a look at the product page for this item, these are the cross-sells that they should see based on your handpicked cross-sells category. If you take a look at the store, this is the item and this is the cross-sells, the handpicked cross-sells. However, what if you want to show global products to any of your product pages regardless of the handpicked cross-sells category? You can do that by assigning your global products. So for example, add your global products here that will display in any product page. Be sure to save them. And in your settings, for your product page, you can choose to show only your global product cross-sells. No handpicked cross-sells will be shown. You can choose to display your handpicked cross-sells if assigned. Otherwise, you can have a backup of show your global product cross-sells, or only show your handpicked cross-sells. No global product cross-sells will be shown. Let's select this option for now. Only show my global product cross-sells. Save. And now if I go back to my product page, instead of showing my handpicked cross-sells, let me refresh. It should now show my global product cross-sells based on my global product category. As you can see, these items are the items that I selected over here. As mentioned, outside of the product pages, you can also have your global products on your upsell pop-up. To activate that, go on Settings, Quick View and Upsell Pop-up. And on the upsell pop-up settings, select the option to show your global product cross-sells. Be sure to save your information. Now, let's add an item to the cart. You can see my upsell pop-up showing the same products that I selected on my global product cross-sells.